Archetype,
10%.
louder. Archetype,
10%.
Okay, Archetype,
Stronger together. Ow! Ow!
morning everyone!
Ikaw din pala.
Good morning everyone!
Parang andali siyang intindihin to apply.
Matututunan mo po paano magkaroon ng client, lalong-lalo na po si Sir po. Daming matututunan sa kanya.
Socialize. Gusto po namin ma-boost talaga yung naging connect sa isa't isa.
Nung nag-start yung Archetype, talagang sinusubaybayan na namin yan, pati yung mga talks, yung podcast, sana matuloy yung podcast nyo. Marami nagigising sa value. Sa mission ninyo.
Ganap talaga ako ng community na mas focus dun sa pag-guide, lalo na sa mga new architect, freelancing approach. Malaking bagay pa Archetype kasi isa yun sa struggle siguro ng mga newly architects, how to practice.
Kamukha nyo naman yung nasa online. Joke lang. Napaka welcoming naman ng vibe. Kahit sa online pa lang naman eh. Yung aura ng Archetype talagang welcome parang para kahit kanino.
Hindi imposible yung 10%. Possible talaga siya. Kailangan talaga ng niche. Bilang architect, kailangan mo i-value yung sarili mo. Alam ko yung mga terms na sinasabi niya kanina. Like yung SEO, yung mga leads, yung panel method.
Isa sa pinakamahirap talaga is yung pagsingil sa visualization. Ngayon ko lang tutunan din na may marami ka palang pwedeng gawing way. Even though yung product mo is same ng ibang product, pwede mo pa siyang i-enhance by just doing the marketing, how you welcome the client.
Mas naging malinaw, kaya natin as professionals na kaya natin maningil ng 10%.
Don't settle for less. Know your worth. Tsaka yung value natin as an architect. Kasi pag binabaan natin yan, hindi lang tayong affected eh. Pati yung buong profession natin.
We started lang talaga back in 2020. We joined this particular group of freelancers in general lang. That group teaches paano magkakaroon ng clients, etc. But for general na turo. I decided na gumawa ng group chat.
And since the name of the group is Freelance Movement, right? So he coined the group chat to Archetype.
If we can't change the old systems, then we have to make our own. So that's why we created Archetype and Usapang Bahay. So,
Ang maganda pa rito, inclusive to eh. Hindi lang architects, hindi lang license, pati graduates, yung mga visualizers, draftsmen, aming professionals.
na-transform ako nung nabago yung mindset ko through Archetype. It became empowering mindset.
Pangarap din namin na maging top of the mind yung mga pagdating sa bahay, structures, architect yung unang hinahanap. Kung ano yung matututunan nyo dito, spread the word. Sabihin nyo sa makakakilala yung mga ganyan. Wala kaming tinatagong information. Kayo lang hinihintay namin. We don't create followers, we create more leaders. So, yun lang. So, enjoy the Launchpad at see you at the top.
this is a community, we're trying to create hindi lang sa profession but also to the community. I'm Architect, insert your name. For our design service fee, it would be 10% of the probable construction cost based on our standard professional practice. Maraming salamat po.